Okay, we are here today to take a look at Ethereum and answer the question, are we at the calm before the storm? And when I say storm, I mean it in a very, very good way, especially if you're long Ethereum. We're going to take a look at that right now. Here's the daily chart on Ethereum. But before we take a look at that, I'm going to switch over to one of my favorite tools, tradingview.com. I use this every day for looking at crypto. I want to look at their technical analysis. I'm looking at the 1-day summary buy. You'll see that a lot across crypto right now. We have a sell on the oscillators. I can get into why that is in just a minute. Moving averages are a strong buy. 1 week time frame, Ethereum also a buy. Sell on oscillators, moving averages, strong buy. And on the 1 month, a very strong buy. Oscillators are looking good. Moving averages are looking fantastic. All this to say, technical indications are, and price seems to be confirming, Ethereum is in for a nice move up. Let's talk about why. All right, if we zoom out, those that have been watching crypto and Ethereum in general are familiar with a fantastic run that Ethereum has been making since October. And it has not only been Ethereum, it's been across the crypto world. Ethereum itself has gone from about 1550 up to 2,400 in just a matter of 2 months. That's not bad at all. Now, we can look and see there has once, about the week of December 4th, toward the beginning of December, when Ethereum reached its high of almost 2,400. Actually, it went a bit over 2,400 according to this chart. You can see the next week had a slap down and price fell, not dramatically, but it fell. You can see a big red candle here. The wick went down to this 2130 area. No fear. This week, Ethereum has rebounded and it is trying to attack the highs right here around 2330, where it has been kind of battling the last few days. There's no worries with Ethereum. Everything is looking fantastic. People talking on the streets are saying crypto across the board is going to be very nice in January and especially 2024. So I'm not worried about Ethereum at all. However, we can say this. There was, since its high on the 9th of December, a downtrend, which just meant lower highs, which as you can see was a reflection of the price falling. I had this area marked here, 2130 to 2160. It's historically, if you zoom over, a very important area in the life of Ethereum. It's the bottom of this wick back in January 2022. It's these highs in April of 2023. And it's these highs right here, a high and a high. As you can see, that level was very important, still is very important. But just to give you a little history, you can see there was a wick, a wick, a wick, a wick, and a wick. That means price fell there, and buyers said, I like that level. I think it's going to go higher. So they bought and has sent the price up ever since. So this is a very important area for Ethereum. We're not looking to be close to it right now. Ethereum is moving upwards, but just keep your eye on that over the upcoming week or two. Should Ethereum start drift down to this level right here, you'll definitely want to watch how it reacts. But as of yet, there is no concern for that, because you can see about 2 to 3 days ago, Ethereum broke out of this downtrend and has risen up almost, not quite. That's highs again was almost 2,400 around the top of the middle of December. It's trying to challenge that, but it definitely has this important line of 2330 to get around. All that to say this. For the next week or two, it wouldn't surprise me for Ethereum to range. It would not surprise me for crypto to range in these general areas where it's been ranging most of December. It's going toward a slow time of the year across the world. Markets are closed. People are celebrating Christmas. There's different things going on, the New Year, so forth and so on across the globe. So just watch for some, more ranging is a word I would use. And you can see that if I go back to 1 year ago around this time, I'm going to go to December 12th. December 23rd back in 2022. You can see there was definitely a range around this time of year. and it broke out around the 1st of January. It was actually the 4th of January, but the first part of January last year. Away went price. You'll see something like that also 2 years ago. A nice range right here during much of December, and price started breaking out toward the end of December. You could even include this if you wanted to. Price broke out on the 5th of January. So you can look for the first part of the week for price to break out if it has not yet. Now, crypto is its own beast. It lives in its own world, and it can be chaotic. We like that about crypto. So I can't say that Ethereum will stay in this range. I mean, goodness, look at some other coins. Look at Solana. It cares nothing about any kind of range in December. It's just going up, and that's all it cares about. Some other coins have been going up, like Avalanche has been going up. VET has been making a nice move up. But some of the Bitcoins, Ethereums, those seem a bit rangy at this point, may stay that way for the rest of the year. However, I'm quite convinced, can't guarantee, but just quite convinced that in January, toward the beginning of next year, we're going to see some nice moves in crypto up. We're going to see these moves challenge the highs in December and carry on to into 2024 very nicely. That's not financial advice. That's my opinion only. I am long crypto. Please do your own due diligence. Be careful in how you trade your own money. But I do believe Ethereum is waiting for the calm before a very nice storm that is going to push Ethereum up. I will keep you updated. Be sure to check back on the latest on Ethereum and across the crypto world. Y'all take care.